The Israfel 50% split keyboard features an innovative ortholinear layout, aligning keys to match natural finger movements for enhanced typing efficiency and reduced fatigue. Its low-profile design, developed with Kailh, incorporates hot-swappable switches and custom keycaps for a comfortable and responsive typing experience. The hinge-split design allows users to adjust the keyboard's angle across 7 options, promoting ergonomic comfort and reducing wrist strain during long sessions. With an adaptive gasket mount, this keyboard minimizes vibrations and noise, ensuring a smooth and tactile typing experience. The Israfel offers extensive customization through Vial software, enabling personalized key mapping, macros, and lighting effects to boost productivity. Constructed with LEGO-compatible components, this keyboard comes as a full kit, allowing for a unique and personalized assembly experience.